beautiful people, good morning. I'm Rao_KE and it's another beautiful day. I'm just starting this video right now. Actually, I'm in my house today and it's a weekend vibe. Time to do laundry. So I'm going to do my laundry and I'm going to, so guys, sorry, that was a bit dark, so I think I found the right place. All right, so I'm going to do my laundry and please stay connected with me. Some clothes which are already cleaned, I'm gonna take them out. So these ones have been washed, so I'll just put them aside. Just see what I'm gonna do first. Okay, time to do laundry. So the first thing I do before I do my laundry is to sort the clothes and see which one needs to be thorough cleaned. This looks a bit dirty. Okay, so I'm going to sort the clothes. I normally use a collar cleaner to clean the shirts, so I'll do the collar cleaning with the shirts. And today I think I'm gonna soak some clothes. I'm not going to wash all of them. The whiteys, the colored ones. So guys, how are you spending your weekend? So many shirts today, how comes? It's only for 1 week. So that's all. It's time to do laundry, cleaning of the house and everything that I need to do over the weekend. This is how I manage my life here, guys. It's not easy, but what to do. So these ones are the kitchen towels. They've been soaked here for 2 days. Now they're clean enough, so I'll put them in the sink because I need to use the same bucket again to soak some white clothes. So I'm going to soak these t-shirts. Ooh, so dirty. Why? I need to get some water first. It's getting warmer and warmer. The cold season is gone. It's time to get back to the hot season. Sweaty, 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 sweaty. So okay, so I'm going to use this. I got this from the stores because I've been wondering what I could use to brighten the white clothes. It's called a brightening and whitening. Okay, so I'll use this for my white clothes. So I don't know how much I should put, but I guess as much as possible. All right, so that one. This is actually just for soaking the white clothes that I want to whiten. A bit of soap. So I think maybe they'll be washed later. So the first thing, I'll soak the white ones. So many t-shirts today. Because when it's hot, we actually wear a lot of t-shirts. Because at least where we work, we are allowed to wear t-shirts to work. So especially during the hot season. So that's why you see there's a lot of white t-shirts here. They allow us to wear t-shirts but not colorful, at least white or black. So That's why we have a lot of t-shirts here today. I've been wearing t-shirts for the last few days. Okay. Some more here to go. Oh, my bucket is too small. I don't have, guys, it's hard to have a bucket because we don't really need a bucket or a basin. But I think I'll add more water to this. I'll add more water to that. Meanwhile, I'm going to do the collars and then I put them in the machine. And then we continue hanging the other clothes. So let me get something to add water onto this. I even came with some water from them. Okay, so I've added water here because it has to be soaked thoroughly. I don't know whether the detergent is enough. Maybe I need to add more. Just to brighten the white t-shirts. Okay, I think that's enough. So I've put the whitening stuff here and I've added some soap. So this ones will be soaked for some time. Though I don't know, it's according to that thing, it doesn't say you soak, it just says you wash it. I don't think so. I think we have to soak it. So as for me, I'll soak them. So I'll leave them here to soak for some time. And meanwhile, I'm gonna do the collars. We use a collar cleaner. And I also have a different type of a collar cleaner. This one. I think this one is finished. So I'm using this collar cleaner today. The other one that I had before got finished. And this one is easier because it doesn't rub, you just sprinkle them. So I'll do the sprinkling. So I'm just going to spray the collars with this. And then kind of, you see? When you rub it, it forms to us like a soap, and then it cleans the collar. Sometimes when we wash clothes in the machine, they don't become very clean. So that one is done. So I take another one. Look at the collar. Just spray and rub, spray and rub, spray and rub. Good. And it's actually very effective, you see? The collar becomes clean within a minute, within a second actually. So I'm doing this to all the shirts. It's called a collar cleaner. Collar cleaner. I think it's available in the stores everywhere in the world. Though maybe we just don't know that they're there, so we don't use them. Collars are very sensitive, especially when the season is hot like now. The collars are very dirty. Look at this one, guys. So I'm going to show you this after cleaning it, okay? Just 1 second, one touch. See? It's coming out so quickly. So when you put in the machine, it just, see, clean. This is very clean. Just a touch, and then you see it forms like soap, yeah? So these ones are going to go into the machine for the next 40 minutes. They'll be done. But I think I'll give them more time because they're many today. So guys, that's how we use the collar cleaner. You see, the shirts are clean. So it's time to put them into the machine. It's time to dip them into the machine. So that's how I do it. And then I just add some soap to it. Some people may ask me why I use this soap. This soap is actually meant for machine wash. It's like Omo that we use back at home, but this one is specifically for machine wash. So that's why I'm using, and then I use a bit of this to, okay. just like that. Set my machine, and then I leave it to clean. So as I started by, okay, when I started I showed you that I had already washed some clothes and I was taking them out of the machine. So it's time to go and hang them. But before I hang them out, my balcony where I'm going to hang them is also not so clean. So maybe I need to clean that balcony. This one stayed here clean for some time. The others are soaked down here in a bucket down here. I'll wash them when that machine will be done with the other clothes. Then this ones will be soaked already. I can as well give a rinse to these kitchen towels. I think these ones are also very dirty. Maybe they need the stain cleaner. So I'll put the stain cleaner on this. Oh, not cleaner, but the whitening thing. Yep. I'm so confused, guys. I don't know how I woke up today. I'm really confused. Something is not right with my head today. So that's for the cleaner. I need to add more kitchen towels here because today also is a cleaning day for the kitchen towels. These ones were removed yesterday on Wednesday. I'm going to do the hanging of the clothes, and come on guys, go with me. But before I hang the clothes, as I told you, I need to get the kitchen towels from here. This one also to be added to the dirty ones. Okay. So time to clean my balcony before I hang the clothes because it's so dirty. If I hang the clothes in a dirty balcony, then I'll have to clean it later, and I don't want to do that. The clothes will be there, so it will not be really conducive to clean later. Okay. I think it's a bit bright. I guess I don't know whether you'll be able to see me out here. So I'll be cleaning the balcony here, but it's a bit bright today. And my balcony has got some beautiful flowers. I need to show you the flowers too. This is the first batch that I washed today, so I'm going to air them out there. I'm going to put them here because I need to hang them outside. But before I hang them, I put my hangers already here for hanging them. But I also need to put another batch in the machine. Another batch to go into the machine, ready for another wash. So this other batch is the one that doesn't need a lot of things, just dip and wash. So this is where I don't want to put the towel first. I have some clothes here, the ones that are not sensitive, they can be washed with anything. The socks, the nightgowns, and all this kind of stuff. So that one will wash as I continue with my other part of the cleaning. So these ones I'm going to hang them outside. Laundry, I was just fixing some other clothes in the machine. And these are the hangers I'm going to use to hang my clothes. time to wash. So guys, that's how I do my laundry. I've hung my clothes. All my clothes are out, ready to dry. The remaining clothes are still in the machine, and I'll continue the process until I finish. Thank you for watching.